Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. That was footage of me still going, still trying to figure things out. I'm at Menards now. Okay, guys, I want to get back to what I was talking about. And I hope after this video, there's an understanding. You don't have to agree, and I am okay with that. But there needs to be an understanding moving forward. Remember the guy I told you about going through the divorce, had to take out another loan to split the equity? Well, that guy worked Monday through Friday. And then on the weekends, he worked 16 hours Saturday, 16 hours Sunday. All that just to go through a divorce and have to start all over. Is that fair? So could you blame him for not wanting to get married again? Could you? He would be a damn fool if he did. Honestly, marriage is nothing but a security blanket for women. Some man wants to leave, no problem. I'll take everything. And it's nothing but a status symbol. She's competing with her friends and family. They're married, so she has to be married too. Her husband is nothing more than an accessory like a purse or a dog on a leash that she can control. If he doesn't act accordingly, oh, he's going to get it. If she makes more, it's even worse. He has no say-so, has no rights. It's almost like it's gender slavery. Do you know why I'm out here in this hot sun? Yesterday, my allergies were killing me. They were killing me. So today, I stopped by one of my favorites and got some allergy relief tablets. No matter how hot it is or how exhausted I get, this helps avoid issues. After so many years, things change. You no longer can stand the sight of this person. You hate talking to him. You feel sick thinking about him. And then you have to prepare your mind and figure out a way to navigate through the BS. Let me give you an example. I opened up the refrigerator, okay? There was a sign on some frozen food. Might have been a pizza. You know what the sign said? Don't touch my SHIT. This is marriage. There are married couples that don't even sleep together anymore. You know why these couples are still together? Because of the kids. They're worried about hurting the kids. And because the money. It makes more sense to stay together because of the money. Meanwhile, a wife will ask her husband, do you love me? You know what the problem with that? You never ask this guy how he feels. He's not supposed to have any feelings whatsoever. Don't say anything. You're not a man if you do. And this has been going on since this guy was 8, 9 years old. Started with his mother. And it progressed. So this guy is walking around like a zombie. All this stuff bottled up inside until he snaps. Her, on the other hand, she moves her family in. His in-laws. So he's confined to a space in the house with his recliner and a cup holder. Through sickness and in health, till death do us part. His friends and family can't come over, though. Oh, no. No. She doesn't like them. She doesn't want them in the house. You know what I propose, and I hope the lawmakers back me on this. Every couple years, maybe 3, moving forward, there should be an opt-out clause in every marriage. Have you guys heard of LeBron James? Great basketball player. He's been a phenom since he was about anywhere between 13 and 15 years old. I mean, this guy is like Magic and Michael. What he does is brilliant. He'll sign with the team, 2 years, the 3rd year, player option. That means after a couple years, if I don't like what's going on, I'm out of here. Every 3 years, those marriage certificates should expire, but with a 6-month automatic extension. After that 6-month period, if those 2 people, that man and that woman, haven't gone to the courthouse to renew their marriage license, that marriage is automatically over. I'll be fair. If a divorce is filed during the marriage, then we could talk about alimony and equity and stuff like that. That's fair. My advice to men, run. Most of you aren't ready anyway. Mid-20s, early 30s, you're not ready. Trust me. And no matter how wrong she is, you're just expected to fix everything. Just fix it. Fix it. You tell her, hey, get the car with the all-wheel drive. Well, she likes the one with the front wheel. Okay, fine. Then it snows. She's stuck. You have to come out and get her out. You have to fix it. Even though you told her, hey, it's not a good idea. She didn't care. She's not listening to you. She's in charge. She knows what she's talking about. But when the you know what hits the fan, just fix it. Marriage in a nutshell. Before you were captain of the football team. Now you are the water boy. That's just my take. I understand if you don't like it. If you're looking for me, I'm not too hard to find. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.